I've also created and put out other original music, revolutionary music, for the comrades of the Uhuru movement and Uhuru movement friendly forces. Shortly after the early onset of the coronavirus, I created the song Colonial Virus, which now serves as the official theme song of the People's War radio show slash Black Power Talks podcast. I have also put out another song that's a general feel good Black empowerment song titled Lanati, and a free album titled Freedom in the Mix, which features excerpts of revolutionary speeches and presentations from Fannie Lou Hamer, Jessica Geneis, Ella Baker, Marcus Garvey, and Elikya Ngoma. Early versions of Freedom in the Mix was also featured in the 24-hour hashtag Giving Tuesday telethon of the Uhuru Solidarity Movement for the second year in a row. Next slide.